Hello everyone, hello world. Good. I think it's afternoon 1:20, and today it's Friday. It is raining today. Take a look at this. Rain. Rain, rain. Rain day today. I have this plant is growing now, and it's raining. Wow, water is running. It's Friday, everyone. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Today it's waiting for a phone call from the hospital today. And my husband in the facility right now. So pray for healing and for getting better. So we have these things, everyone. Looks really good. It's not cheap. Wow. Friday, happy Friday to all of you. Happy Friday to all. There is a person at the door where my camera says. So I was reading this book today and researching about my stuff here. So thank you everyone for watching. God bless everyone. I hope stay healthy, and God bless. God bless everyone. I am researching and educating myself right now. Have a blessed day. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.